Hello and welcome to this first lecture of on overview for this course AI for Interpersonal Skills Excellence. So the purpose of this section is to give you a quick overview of how can you use AI for excellence in interpersonal skills. And we will begin by taking a look at what building blocks can you use to help AI build excellence in interpersonal skills. So let's take a look at how to use AI for excellence in interpersonal skills, right? Right. So that's a great question. Interpersonal skills like communication, empathy, conflict resolution, teamwork, and emotional intelligence are at the heart of leadership and professional success. AI cannot replace human connection, but it can accelerate how you practice, right? And how you can refine and get feedback on these skills. Now let's take a look at how can you do that. So let's take a look at ways AI can help build excellence in interpersonal skills. So first thing you can do is use AI powered role plays and simulation where you can use conversational AI bots to simulate difficult conversations like giving feedback, negotiating, handling conflicts, and managing cross-cultural differences. And a good example of that would be, practicing a salary negotiation with an AI that reacts differently depending on your words and tone. Now, what are the advantage of doing using these AI-powered role plays and simulation? They are safe, repeatable, and real-time practice environment, right? So that's the first building block. Then you can do the personalized communication coaching using AI. Tools like AI writing assistants or speech analytics apps can evaluate tone, clarity, empathy, and assertiveness in emails, presentations, and in conversation. And a good example of this would be to record a mock presentation and let AI analyze filler words, spacing, and persuasiveness, and then it will suggest the improvements. Now, what you get out of this is a continuous, unbiased, and specific feedback on your communication style. The third pillar of using AI for interpersonal skills is training on emotional intelligence. Now, AI-driven sentiment analysis tools can teach you how to read emotions, you know, in text, speech, and facial expressions. And an example of doing this would be to upload a conversation script in the AI. AI will highlight area where empathy or active listening could improve, and you could get a result of that stronger awareness of others' feeling, leading to deeper relationship. The fourth pillar would be a 360-degree feedback through AI, where AI can aggregate feedback from peers, you know, uh, managers and team members, and then translate it into a clear development plans for interpersonal skills. And one example of this would be, asking, AI to say, your colleagues rate you high on rework, teamwork, but suggest you work on active listening. That could be the kind of 360-degree feedback you could get through AI. And that can help you pinpoint blind spots that you may not see yourself, right? Then you can also do cultural sensitivity and diversity training. You for so very essential for interpersonal skills. Now, AI-driven cross-cultural communication tools can train you in adapting communication styles across the cultures. And there, for example, AI can explain how the same message is received differently in US, Japan, or India. And that can help you improve collaboration in global teams, right? Then there is AI feedback agents. Now, there you can imagine them as an AI coach sitting in a simulated meeting, and afterwards, it gives you constructive feedback on interruptions, dominance, listening skills, and respectfulness. And that can build your self awareness, empathy, and inclusiveness. So that's how AI feedback agents can help. Then there are gamified AI learnings. AI-based apps can turn, you know, interpersonal skill build into games, uh, into challenges and progress trackers. Like you could have a option of earning points for demonstrative active listening in role plays, and that keeps the practice engaging and consistent. So gamified AI learning is another area. Now let's take a look at roadmap to use AI for interpersonal skills. So you start with self-awareness, and there you use AI journaling feedback tools to analyze your own communication pattern. Then you do skill practice where you role play scenarios with AI in terms of conflict resolution, presentations, or teamwork. Then you get feedback. You get AI powered analysis on tone, clarity, empathy, and body language. And then you iterate. You practice again with improvements. And then you are ready to apply the real world transfers where you apply in real actual workplace interactions and reflect with AI on what worked and what did not. So that's a roadmap for you to use AI for interpersonal excellence. So what do we do next now? So in the next lecture, we will take a look at one case study of AI actually helping build excellence in interpersonal skills. There are three case studies we will take. The first one will be in the next lecture, and in the two subsequent lectures, you will have another two. So thank you so much for watching this first overview lecture on this course, AI for Interpersonal Skills Excellence. I hope you continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions. And do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.